Good morning students, Sai Ram. We are going to learn the second part of EVS 1 lesson number 6 variety in food. Children, in today's video we are going to see about the crops and vegetables which are grown in different seasons. Let us start by learning the new words. First one is agriculture. Agriculture. Agriculture means farming. So when you do field work, that is called as agriculture. That means farming. The other name for farming is agriculture. Second one is occupation. Occupation. Occupation means a job or a profession. That is called as occupation. Third one is moderate. Moderate means medium. What do you mean by moderate? Not high, not low, it is in between, that is medium, that is known as moderate. Fourth one, dependent. Dependent means when you are dependent or when you are dependent on your parents for everything, for your food, for your clothes, that means you are dependent. And when you grow big, you will start earning on your own, when you will start buying things on your own, that means you are independent. So dependent means when you are relying on someone is known as dependent. And the last one, availability. Availability means something which is there, that is known as availability. Suppose when you go in the shop and you ask for wheat or you ask for rice and it is available in plenty, it is there, so the shopkeeper will say yes, it is available, means it is there. If it is not available, he will say no, it is not there. So availability means something which is there in plenty or something which is there sufficiently is known as availability. Have you understood all the words? Now let us start. Now we live in India, our country is India and our state is Maharashtra. But the main occupation of India as well as Maharashtra is agriculture, that is farming. So our main occupation is agriculture. Can you see the women? What are they doing? They are taking out the crops which has been already harvested, that is rice crops. Those are the rice crops, so they are taking it out. So agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. So what is the main occupation? Agriculture. We all are dependent on agriculture as it is our main occupation, that is agriculture means farming. Now when you do farming, you need plenty of water. Water should be available in plenty. So that means heavy rainfall is required for doing agriculture. Yes or no? So agriculture is mainly dependent on rainfall. If there is low rainfall, then the crops will not grow well and then we will not get sufficient crops. So agriculture is mainly dependent on rainfall. There should be sufficient rainfall in the parts where farming is going on. Okay. The rainfall received in all the regions is not the same. Very, very important. See, all the parts of the country do not receive the same amount of rainfall. Some regions receive low rainfall, some regions receive high rainfall, and the others receive moderate. Moderate means not low, not high, in between, that is medium. So all the regions face or they have different types of rainfall. So dependent on the rainfall, different types of crops are grown in different regions. Okay. So now we are going to see about that. Now crops grown in the region of high rainfall. So first we are going to see about the crops which are grown in the region of high rainfall. So which are those crops? First one is rice. Children, rice crop requires huge amount of water. So it comes under the category of crops which grow in high rain, means which wants higher rainfall. So rice is one of the crop which requires plenty of water. So it is grown in those regions which receive heavy rainfall. Okay. Next one is coconut. Coconut is also a plant which requires high rainfall. So coconut again is grown in the region which receives high rainfall. Next one is ragi. Ragi is also a crop. It is also known as nachni. Okay, so ragi also requires high rainfall. So ragi is grown in the regions of high rainfall. Varai. Varai is a kind of a crop and it is used especially during fast. Those who fast during festivals or during some special occasions, they eat this instead of eating the daily food item. So you can make khichdi out of it, you can make whatever you like, kheer out of it. So it is a kind of rice. It is somewhat like rice, but it tastes little bit different. It is sticky type, and this varai is a crop which again requires plenty of rainfall. So it is grown in the regions of higher rainfall. Okay, now we are going to see about the crops which are grown in the region of moderate rainfall. The crops which requires medium, that is not high rainfall and not low rainfall, it requires moderate rainfall. Now children, if those crops which require moderate rainfall, if they get more amount of water than they require, then the crops may die. Means they may not yield well, the crops may get destroyed. So the crops which require moderate rainfall should get that much amount of water only. If it gets less or if it gets more, the crop will be destroyed. Okay, so which are the crops we are going to see which requires moderate rainfall? First one is wheat. Wheat is a crop which requires moderate rainfall. Okay, then next one is tur dal, which we have daily, means we have in our diet. This is included in our diet. So tur dal is also a crop, from that we get. So that also requires moderate rainfall. It is grown in the regions which receive moderate rainfall. Next one is soya bean. Now these are the seeds of soya bean which you can see in the picture. The actual soya beans which we eat is different. Okay, the soya chunks which we include in vegetables, which we include in rice, pulao, so that is different, but these are the seeds of soya bean. So soya bean is also a crop which requires moderate rainfall. Next one is crops which are grown in the region of low rainfall. Now children, there are some crops which do not require plenty of water or which do not require moderate rainfall also. They just need little bit of water, that is low rainfall is also sufficient for the crops to grow. So we are going to see the examples of the crops which require low rainfall. The first one is jawar. Now jawar, you all must be knowing, we prepare bhakri from it, we can prepare various items from jawar, dosa is also prepared. So jawar is a crop which requires low rainfall. Okay, and if it gets more rainfall, then the crop will get destroyed. Next one is bajra. So again, bajra is also a crop which requires low rainfall. And the next one is moth beans. Okay, that they are called moong. Brown color moong is known as moth bean. So moth bean is also a crop which requires low rainfall. Now children, we saw three categories of crops which require higher rainfall, that is high rainfall, moderate rainfall and low rainfall. And what happens if these crops do not get the suitable rainfall? The crop may get destroyed. Okay, it may get destroyed. So what is required apart from rainfall, apart from water? What are the three important things for a crop to grow well? That is, we are going to see. So the question what I have framed is here: what is required to help crops grow well? Only one thing, that is water, is not only sufficient for the crops to grow well. There are other things also which you should keep in mind while growing a good crop. The first one is good seeds. Very, very important. If you yield good seeds, if you get good seeds and if you sow good seeds, then only you will get a good crop. So good seeds means seeds of higher quality, seeds of hygiene quality is essential for growing a good crop. So what was the first one? The first one is good seeds are required to grow a good crop. The next one is fertile soil. What do you mean by fertile soil? The soil should be fertile, means the soil should be, it should be moist. It should have a balance of all the things in the soil, that the soil should not be dry, the soil should not have more worms and germs in it, and it should be fertile, means it should be soft, it should be good quality soil, that is known as fertile soil. So good quality soil is required for a crop to grow well. And the third one is sufficient sunlight. Each means most of the plants require sunlight. If they get sufficient amount of sunlight, the crops grow well. So same way, the crops need sufficient sunlight. It is not that they require only rainfall or they require only water, but they require sunlight also, and that also sufficient, means as much required. If they get the sunlight, the crops come out well. So apart from water, what are the three important things? The three important things are good seeds, that is of high quality, good seeds. Fertile soil is good quality soil, and sufficient sunlight are the three important factors which helps a crop to grow well. Now we are going to take a recap of what we have watched in today's video. We saw first that agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. We are dependent on agriculture, that is farming. So you can also say in other words that India is an agrarian country. Agrarian means, as our main occupation is agriculture, so that is known as agrarian. Okay, so agriculture. So if somebody will ask you what is the main occupation of your country or what is the main occupation of your state, you are going to say agriculture. And what do you mean by agriculture? Agriculture means farming. Next, agriculture is mainly dependent on rainfall. Agriculture cannot take place without rainfall. Agriculture requires water, and that is, it depends on rainfall. We get rains for 3 to 4 months, and agriculture is dependent on rainfall. If the crops get good amount of water in these 3 to 4 months, they yield good crops. You get good crops. Okay, apart from the watering of plants which we do every day to the crops, you should get that much amount of rainfall for the crops to grow well. So agriculture is mainly dependent on what? It is mainly dependent on rainfall. The next one is crops grow according to rainfall. We saw the three subcategories of crops. We saw the crops which grow in areas of high rainfall, crops which grow in areas of low rainfall, and crops which grow in areas of moderate rainfall. So the crop also differs. The crop also varies according to regions and according to the amount of rainfall it gets. And I showed you few examples of the crops which grow in low rainfall, high rainfall and moderate rainfall, isn't it? I had only mentioned few of the examples. You can find more on your own and you can make a note of it. And the next thing what we saw is, to help crops grow well, what is required? First is good seeds, fertile soil and sufficient sunlight is required. So these are the three important things which a crop needs to grow well. If you need a crop to come out very well, if you need a crop to grow very well, these are the three important things which you have to keep in mind when you are going to take care of that crop. So what is that? Good seeds means good quality seeds. Fertile soil again means good quality soil and sufficient sunlight. Okay, so the plant, the crops should get sufficient amount of sunlight. Okay, so this is the end of today's part. It is not the end of the chapter. There is still more for you to learn, and I hope today's video you have understood. and you're going to make a note of all the important points and of the new words you're going to learn. And take care. Thank you for listening to me carefully. Goodbye.